Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You're watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of 3rd semester MA English Literature and Language. Paper is Linguistics and Structure of English Language. In this lecture, I am going to deal with constituents of noun phrase or NP. Constituents of NP or noun phrase. First one. An NP may have a single noun, pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, WH words, etc. For example, Mohan is lazy. In this sentence, Mohan is the noun. He may come. In this sentence, he is a pronoun. These are flowers. In this sentence, these is the demonstrative pronoun. I never knew that. Here, I is the pronoun as subject NP and that demonstrative pronoun as object NP. Who is this? WH word as subject NP in this sentence. A noun in noun phrase may be preceded by the following items. First one, determiners. Articles a and the, and demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, those. Possessives, WH words what, which, etc. are grouped under determiners only when they precede nouns. A tree diagram is represented for this. Noun phrase divided into determiner and noun. Determiner is article, article is the, and the noun part is chair, the chair. In the same way, his book. This noun phrase is divided into determiner and noun, and determiner is possessive, that is his, and noun is book, his book. Next is ordinals. First, second, third, etc., which denote the order of the item in a series. In NP, that is noun phrase, determiners can be followed by ordinals. So, NP, the noun phrase, is divided into ordinal and noun. Ordinal first and noun is class, first class. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers specify quantity or number. Example, several, some, a few, three, many, each, etc. In noun phrase, the ordinal can be followed by the quantifier. If there is no ordinal, the determiner is followed by the quantifier. Example, his first 2 wickets. Many books. Here, his first 2 wickets is represented in tree diagram. So, noun phrase is divided into determiner. Determiner is possessive and that is his. Then next is ordinal. Ordinal is first. Next is quantifier. Quantifier is 2. And finally, noun. Noun is wickets. So, his first 2 wickets. Next is adjectival phrase. Adjectival phrase is a phrase that functions as an adjective. Example, a very nice lady. Many beautifully painted pictures. Here, a very nice lady is represented in a tree diagram. The noun phrase is divided into determiner, adjectival phrase and noun. Determiner is article, article is a. Adjectival phrase is again divided into intensifier and adjective. Intensifier is very, adjective is nice. And finally, noun. Noun is lady. So, a very nice lady. Next is classifier. A classifier is a noun or a sentence that functions as an adjective. For example, arts college, the come and try slogan. Next one is predeterminers or pre-articles. Now, predeterminers or pre-articles are those items which precede the determiner in NP or noun phrase, like half, half of, all of, etc. Example, all the boys. Therefore, noun phrase can be rewritten or expanded in the following way using symbols. Noun phrase is given by predeterminer plus determiner plus ordinal plus quantifier plus adjectival phrase plus classifier plus noun. So, this is represented in a tree diagram, that is, noun phrase is divided into predeterminer, determiner, ordinal, quantifier, adjectival phrase, classifier and noun. Now, let us see an example represented through this tree diagram. All these 4 very nice Lexi pens. In this, noun phrase is divided into predeterminer, determiner, quantifier, adjectival phrase, classifier and noun. Predeterminer is all, determiner is demonstrative, that is these, quantifier is 4, adjectival phrase is divided into intensifier, that is very, and adjective nice, then classifier, noun, that is Lexi, then finally noun, that is pens. So, all these 4 very nice Lexi pens. So, in the first part we have seen a noun phrase can have determiners, ordinals, quantifiers, adjectival phrase, classifiers, predeterminers and noun. Now, second one, noun phrase can also have noun phrase plus prepositional phrase. Example, the destruction of the city, the man of the match, the leaf of this branch, in this, of the city, of the match, on this branch. These are the prepositional phrases. Next, third one, noun phrase can consist of noun phrase plus relative clause, a clause that has an adjectival function and modifies NP, that is noun phrase, is called a relative clause. For example, the girl I had been telling you about. Fourth one is, noun phrase can be a complement clause. For example, that the earth is round was discovered long ago. In this, a complement clause functions as noun phrase, while a relative clause modifies NP. And the last, fifth one, noun phrases with compound nouns. For example, the film star. This is represented in this tree diagram. Noun phrase is divided into determiner and compound nouns. Determiner is article, that is the, and compound noun is divided into nouns. One is film and the other noun is star, the film star. So, noun phrases with compound nouns. In this lecture, we studied constituents of noun phrase. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.